This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming hardware and software basics. Check CPU/GPU, free disk, and Windows updates so nothing obvious blocks Gary's mod. Once done, update your graphics drivers and run Steam as administrator to avoid permission errors. Next, verify game files in Steam to restore missing or corrupted files, and immediately disable custom add-ons or maps so you're running a clean baseline. These first actions isolate common causes and give you a stable starting point for deeper fixes. Once you have a clean baseline, reset configuration by renaming or removing CFG and autoexec files to force default settings. This removes bad binds or launch scripts. Then add targeted launch options like DX Level 90, Windowed, or Navid to bypass problematic graphics paths and test stability. Make sure to close overlays, third-party injectors, and any aggressive antivirus or performance tools, because they commonly cause crashes. Run a clean boot, if necessary, to identify conflicts. You finish by reintroducing add-ons one at a time to pinpoint the guilty mod. Test after each edition so you know when crashes return. If stability never comes, back up your saves and reinstall Gary's mod or even Steam to eliminate corrupted installations. Make sure to enable and collect crash logs or console output before posting. These logs are the single most useful item for troubleshooting. If nothing else works, share the logs on community forums for targeted help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.